declare a variables, how to store the data into the variables. What is variable? A variable is a memory location. It is used to store the data. What is the syntax for how to declare a variables? Syntax is a type followed by variable list. Here I am declaring integer variable int a, then float variable float b. It is a character variable character c. Next, what is the rules for declaring the variables? Variables must not be a keyword, and it can have alphabet, numerics, and underscores are there. Next, we'll discuss about the types of variables. Local variable, global variable, static variable, automatic variable, and then external variables. Discuss one by one. What is local variable? In local variable, the variable is declared within the function. Function or block is called local variable. Here it is the function. Here we are declaring one of the variable, integer variable, int x equal to 10. So the variable is declared within the function. So it is we call as the local variable. Next, global variable. Global variable means the variable is declared outside of the main functions. So when you are declaring outside of the main functions, it is visible to all the functions. All functions can able to access this variables. For example, say here, int value equal to 20. Here I am declaring the variable outside of the functions. It is declared as a global variable. It is a small functions. Within the functions, here I am declaring the local variable. So it is the global variable. It can be accessed by all functions. Next one is the static variables. How to declare static variables in the functions? By using the static keyword, we can declare the static variables. In this examples, here it is a local variable. Next, int y equal to 10. So here it is a static variable. Here I am specifying static keyword. The static keyword is followed by the variable. It is called static variables. What is the use of static variable? It retains its value between the multiple functions calls. Here in this program, what is the output? If you call these functions multiple times, the output will be changed between the local variable and the static variable. If you call this function multiple times, the local variable will print the data 10 plus 1, 11. So again, when you call this function, again 11 value will be printed. Next, when you call this function, again 11 value will be printed. But in the case of a static variable, first when you call this function, it will print the value 11. Then again, when you call this functions again, it retains its value. The value it will be printed as 12. Then when you call again this functions, the value will be printed as 13. So from the static variable, what you understand is it retains its value when you call this function, particular functions multiple times. Next one is automatic variable. It is same as the local variables. We call as the automatic variable. Then external variable. How to declare external variable? The variable is declared by the keyword external. The external keyword is used to declare external variables. So this variable will share in multiple C source files. So variable is very important for developing the C program. This kind of variables are very useful for developing C programs. Thank you.